Welcome to this video on the history of mathematics, specifically focusing on the foundational contributions of Islamic mathematics. Modern numeracy, including our decimal system and fundamental operations, traces its roots directly to the Islamic world. Scholars there developed and advanced the arithmetic we use today. Al-Khwarizmi, a key figure in 9th century Baghdad, is credited with the birth of algebra. His work established a conceptual framework for solving equations, and his name is the source of the term algorithm. Al-Khwarizmi identified 6 distinct typologies of equations, categorizing them based on the relationships between numbers, roots, and wealth, which we now understand as constants and powers of x. This video explores how Al-Khwarizmi proved these equations through algebraic methods, such as completing the square, to find precise solutions for variables. Beyond algebra, these concepts were supported by geometric proofs. By visualizing equations as physical areas, mathematicians could logically confirm their results. Abu Kamil, the Egyptian calculator, expanded this field by accepting irrational numbers as solutions and mastering non-linear simultaneous equations, pushing algebra to higher powers. Mathematicians also developed the rule of false position, a systematic method for solving complex equations by making an initial estimate and adjusting it proportionally. Al-Uqlidisi revolutionized arithmetic by adapting traditional dustboard methods into algorithms that could be recorded with ink on paper, creating an auditable historical record. Al-Uqlidisi also pioneered the use of decimal fractions, recognizing the necessity of a decimal sign to perform more complex calculations with greater accuracy. Khushar ibn Laban further advanced these techniques, mastering decimal arithmetic and complex root extraction, despite the physical limitations of the traditional dustboard. Algorithms on the dustboard involved precise, step-by-step motions, where intermediate values were physically erased and updated to reach the final sum. Omar Khayyam moved beyond quadratics to solve cubic equations by mapping them to conic sections, utilizing the intersection of geometry to find unknown roots. Khayyam's mathematical precision led to the creation of the Jalili calendar, which achieved an extraordinary level of accuracy in solar year calculations. Ultimately, this chain of innovation, from numerals and algebra to decimals and precise astronomy, defined the profound legacy of Islamic mathematics. Thank you for watching. The legacy of Islamic mathematics continues to shape our modern world through the very algorithms that structure our daily lives.